Some Dallas city workers jumping into action to rescue a man trapped inside of his pickup truck right here. Watch this. The pickup plunged into a creek in the drive, sliding deeper with each passing minute, make that the driver, until he was up to his neck in water.
Truck was sliding in, the water was, building up in the cab. In here, he was having more like a seizure or a heart attack or something. And I said, dude, he needs help.
Yeah, he did. After getting the door open, they cut the man's seatbelt, dragged him to safety. The driver suffered some kind of medical emergency. Taken to the hospital, said to be in stable condition, and just by